foot's going to remain on the floor. Then go ahead and plant that foot, outside foot, meaning the foot that's close, that's furthest from the pole. So outside foot's going to get planted. Inside foot's going to come up and around and push into the pole. All right, so that's your floor pole box split. So to do it from on the pole, kind of jam your heel into the pole as much as you can. And listen, depending on the diameter of the pole and the size of the shoe will depend on if it sticks in there or not. Sometimes it'll stick, sometimes it won't. It is what it is. Anyway, jam it on in there. Raise your leg and pull in. This is your pole box split. So it looks really, really cool when you do it from a butterfly, which I showed you guys in the butterfly video. Here is a recap of that. First, butterfly. And usually you want to do an extended butterfly if you're going to do it into the, because it just brings the foot down. You're just right there. Okay? All right, so again, from the floor, outside foot, bring your other leg up and hook. That was really ugly, but it's hooked. All right, and to come down, to descend into the box split, you're going to want to do it from the butterfly. So you're going to want to do your butterfly first. And you want to do the extended butterfly because it puts you into the position of being almost already there. Because you just bring that extended leg down. And then I like to take this bottom hand off the pole and grab like so, because it'll allow me to pull my foot off the pole because I'm holding on with both hands now. And then you can have control and be in your box split. Bring that foot off when you're ready and done. All right. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Feel free to comment. Let me know what other videos you want to see. Thank you and happy polling.